As an entrepreneur in everything that you do, realize that nobody cares about you. They only care about the result that you can deliver to them. Let's say that you are about to release a product or a service or a course, and you're telling everybody, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've worked on this for so long. And that's fine for a little while. There's nothing wrong with that. But let's say the whole time you're just talking about this and you're not including what's in it for them. Really, where you're going to have a lot of strength is if you start out with, I want to show you how you can make your first $10,000 in 2 weeks. I'm going to show you how to get your high ticket clients banging down the doors to buy something. Whatever result that you're delivering to the person, that should be your hook. Not, hey guys, I've been working so hard on this and this has always been my dream and this is my passion. That's fine if you're like applying to a charity, but if you're trying to sell something to someone, what do people exchange their money for? Well, it's a value exchange. They exchange their money for something that also delivers value to them. Most people do not care if this is your passion or your big dream. They only care, what is it that you're going to do for me? And then I will hand you my money that I've worked very hard for. If you just keep in mind, nobody cares about me. They only care about what I can give them. You're going to do 10 times better in your marketing.